Hi everyone, welcome back to my English podcast, the show that reshapes how you think about learning and living. I'm Sarah, and if your emotions steer your life, you're not truly free. But imagine training your mind to work for you, not against you. Welcome to day 3 of the 7-day English Brain Revolution Challenge. If you're new, don't worry. Each episode stands on its own. But if you want the full journey, I've linked days 1 and 2 below. Today, we're diving into 15 powerful strategies to take charge of your mind and emotions. You didn't land on this episode by luck. Some part of you knows it's time to reclaim your inner world. So ask yourself, who's in the driver's seat? Your mind or you? What follows is a key to inner strength, steady peace, and emotional mastery. And here's what makes it special. As your mindset evolves, your English improves with it, because when you immerse yourself in purposeful, real content like this, language stops being a subject and starts becoming part of you. Don't just listen passively. Connect with each line. Feel the shift begin. And let this be your breakthrough. Ready? Let's unlock the 15 game changers that help you master the most powerful force in your life, your own mind. Tip 1. Avoid temporary pleasure. If it feels nice now but costs you later, it isn't pleasure. It's bait. In a world addicted to quick fixes, it's easy to scroll when you're sad, snack when you're stressed, or message someone just to feel seen, even when you know they're not good for you. The momentary high fades and leaves you heavier, guilty, and drained. Real control begins when you trade the easy option for the right one. It's 11 p.m. You have work or class in the morning, and your app autoplays the next episode. Your impulse says, just one. But your wiser self whispers, sleep now, win tomorrow. You either steer your cravings, or your cravings steer. You ask, what will this choice give me after an hour, a day, a month? If the answer is pain, choose differently. Strong people are built choice by choice. Tip 2. Use your brain, not your impulses. Your mind isn't only for reacting, it's for responding with wisdom. Most people live on autopilot. Angry, lash out, bored, waste time, jealous, compare. Intelligence is the pause between feeling and action. Someone insults you. Your impulse snaps back, but your brain asks, why trade my peace for their poison? Every rash reaction hands your power away. Think of your mind as a car. Emotions are passengers, not the driver. Train yourself to slow down, breathe, count to 5, and ask, what response protects my peace and purpose? That habit can change your entire life. Tip 3. Master your 5 senses. Your eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and touch are gateways. What you allow in becomes your inner landscape. Are you watching violence, gossip, and toxicity, listening to complaints and emptiness, eating junk that fogs your focus? Your mind is a garden, and your senses are the gates. Guard them. If you feed it poison, how can it bloom? Switch late-night doom scrolling for one empowering video. Swap sad playlists for soothing or uplifting sounds. Replace gossip with silence or learning. This isn't about being harsh. It's about being strategic. What you feed your senses shapes your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your life. Tip 4. Choose your memories with intention. Your past isn't a prison unless you keep reliving the hurt. Your mind is a photo album, and you decide which pages you revisit. Many people rehearse their losses. The exam they failed, the heart that broke, the support they didn't get. That focus reinforces pain until it becomes a habit. But what about the bright pages? The time you helped, the small victory you earned, the day you kept going when quitting was easier. That's resilience. Yes, perhaps you failed 3 years ago, but you stood back up. Doesn't that part of the story deserve center stage? You can't alter the past, but you can change your focus. You are not your scars. You are the strength that outlasted them. Try this belief. I will stop feeding my pain. I will remember my power. That's how you take back your mind. Tip 5. Lack of positive self-talk is a hidden enemy. If you don't program your mind, the world will do it for you. Your mind is like a phone, and your thoughts are the apps. Too many people allow others to install their apps. Family doubts, social expectations, algorithmic comparisons. Then your inner voice says, maybe they're right, and you start to live a story that was never yours. Rewrite it. Self-talk is the script you repeat. It becomes belief, and belief becomes life. If you keep saying, I'm unlucky, I'm not enough, I always fail, you will start to act as if it's true. Install your own code. Try affirmations like, I stay calm in chaos. I lead my mind. My mind doesn't lead me. Every day I grow stronger. I can hold any feeling with grace. Say them out loud, write them, and repeat. It might feel awkward, but your brain is listening. Repetition builds belief. Tip 6. Understand your emotions. Don't fight them. Emotions aren't enemies. They're messengers. Ignoring or shaming your feelings doesn't make you strong. It makes you fragile. Anger often signals perceived injustice. Fear can mean prepare. Sadness asks for healing. Jealousy points to desire. Guilt reveals your values. Instead of rejecting feelings, ask, why are you here? What are you trying to show me? If someone disrespects you and you're furious, pause and inquire, am I often unheard? Do I need clearer boundaries? Name it to tame it. Control isn't killing emotions, it's decoding them. Once you understand the message, you can choose your response and move with freedom. Tip 7. Choose positive people. Your environment is the soil of your mind. Even the strongest seed struggles in toxic ground. Negative company normalizes pessimism, fear, and resignation. It seeps in like water in a sponge until you're thinking what you once resisted. A friend who says, why? Try nothing changes slowly erodes resolve. But a friend who says, you're improving, keep going, gives you energy on hard days. Negative people are mental poison. Positive people are medicine. You don't need a fight to create distance. Just drift toward those who lift you. Books, podcasts, and online communities count. Remember the rule. You become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Tip 8. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking scatters your attention, multiplies stress, and shrinks progress. You feel busy but move nowhere. Single tasking turns your focus into a laser. Imagine studying while texting, scrolling, and worrying. You spend 2 hours and finish almost nothing. Now imagine an hour with everything off and one clear task. That hour beats 5 hours of frantic switching. Try a 25 or 50-minute timer, commit to one task, then celebrate completion. Where your focus goes, your energy flows. Aim it well. Tip 9. Challenge negative thoughts. Your loudest critic often lives in your head. Your brain produces thousands of thoughts daily. Not all are accurate. Don't believe every sentence your mind speaks. If you're about to give a talk and you hear, you'll forget, They'll laugh, interrogate it. Is that objectively true? Did I prepare? If I slip, can I recover? A kinder, truer thought might be, I'm ready enough and mistakes are human. When you push back, fear loses its grip. When you stay silent, it grows. Practice. When a harsh thought appears, ask for evidence and replace it with a grounded, supportive statement like, I can do this. I'm learning. I'm stronger than I think. You can't stop every negative thought from arriving, but you can refuse to host it. Tip 10. Visualize your goals. Close your eyes and see the life you're building. Energized mornings, meaningful work, a voice that matters. Your brain responds to vivid imagination almost like reality. Repeatedly picture the outcome and you begin acting like the person who achieves it. For English, don't just say, I want to be fluent. Every morning, visualize yourself chatting confidently, acing interviews and sharing ideas on a stage. Feel the pride and excitement. That identity shift unlocks consistent action. More. Practice. Less fear, and the courage to speak even with imperfect grammar. Make it detailed. What you wear, what the room smells like, whose eyes light up as you talk. Your mind is the blueprint. What you see inside, you start to build outside. Tip 11. Tell your mind what to do. Without direction, emotions and distractions drive the day. With intention, you steer. Intentions are precise instructions for your brain. Like a compass. Instead of waking up and reacting to notifications, set 1 to 3 clear intentions. Today I remain calm under pressure. Today I complete my key task. Today I respond thoughtfully, not angrily. With that script, when conflict knocks, your mind remembers the plan and you keep your balance. Energy flows where intention goes. Give your mind clear orders. Tip 12. Build self-discipline. Discipline isn't punishment. It's power. It's doing what matters, especially when you don't feel like it. When the alarm rings and a voice says, skip today, discipline says, we said we would, so we will. Every follow-through builds self-trust. Every small win compounds into strength. Don't wait for motivation. Create momentum with action. The more often you choose purpose over comfort, the more you become the kind of person who keeps promises to yourself. Tip 13. Practice mindfulness. Live in the now. Many of us eat while replaying arguments, sit with family while worrying about tomorrow, breathe but barely notice we're alive. Mindfulness means paying attention to this moment. Sensations, breath, sounds, feelings, without judgment. This sharpens learning. For English, present moment awareness upgrades your listening, pronunciation, and memory. Try this. When eating, just eat. No phone. When walking, feel your feet, observe the world, and breathe slowly. If English feels hard, take 3 deep breaths before you speak. Calm mind, clear thoughts. When listening, stop rehearsing your reply and truly hear the other person. You'll speak more naturally, learn faster, and stress less. You don't need perfection, just presence. Tip 14. Meditate regularly. Master your mind before it starts mastering you. Meditation isn't a religion or a trend. It's a tool for busy minds, tender hearts, and uncertain seasons. It settles turbulent feelings, clears mental clutter, and reconnects you to who you really are. After a hard day, you can doom scroll, vent, and go to bed heavy. Or you can sit for 5 minutes, close your eyes, watch your thoughts pass, and choose not to react. The hurt softens, clarity returns. For English learners, meditation steadies your nerves before speaking. and helps you be kinder to yourself after mistakes. Start simple. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Thoughts will come. Let them pass and return to breath. Begin with 2 minutes, then 5, then 10. If you're too busy for 10 minutes, that's a sign you'd benefit from more, not less. Meditation won't always change the situation, but it changes you. And when you change, everything around you shifts. Tip 15. Write your pain, then write your power. Use journaling to heal. We all carry unsaid feelings, childhood wounds, heartbreak, fears, and dreams that feel distant. When you trap those storms inside, they leak out as anger, exhaustion, or hopelessness. Writing is the release. It's a private conversation with your soul. Try 2 practices. First, nightly pain pages. Ask, what hurt today? What am I hiding? What do I wish I could say? Write the truth and let the page hold it. Second, power pages. Ask, what went well? What did I learn? What one small step will I take tomorrow? Suddenly, you're not a victim. You're the author. For English, journaling is gold. You learn emotional vocabulary, practice expression, and make your language real. If you had a rough day, write, I felt unseen and tired of pretending. Then add, and yet I showed up. I'm still here. I'm healing. And I'm proud I didn't quit. That's not just language practice. That's transformation. If you're still here with me, hear this from my heart. I know some days are heavy. I know sometimes you want to give up, and it feels like no one understands. But I do. And I'm telling you, it will be okay. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but step by step it gets lighter. You're not alone, not broken. You're healing, growing, becoming. Whether your goal is fluent English, success in your work, peace with your past, making your family proud, or simply waking up calm, I believe in you, even if nobody else does. The ones who keep walking when they're tired go the farthest. Take a deep breath, close your eyes and promise. I will not quit. I am enough. I am stronger than this. I'm proud of you. I'm with you. And I'll meet you again tomorrow. Until then, keep going. Keep believing. And keep loving yourself. Because you are going to make it. My English podcast, signing off. Keep moving toward your natural fluency.